So guys, we are now leaving. So guys, I had such amazing time today. My phone might cut off, so I got only 10%. Only got 10% of my phone, so I gotta talk really fast. But I had such a good time, guys. It was excellent. The food smelled so delicious. I only got the pulled pork fries. So good. It was pulled pork, bacon, barbecue sauce and fries, and cheese. So freaking delicious, guys. But now we're headed back to the car. Gotta walk a long way. My brother looking at me. But yeah, Brandy did her thing. You know, it started at 9, but it actually started at 9:20-ish. But we couldn't stay that long. But yeah. So if you've never seen Detroit or downtown Detroit, welcome. Home of the police officers. This is what you mostly see down here. There's a lot of cops, but this is Detroit, guys. This is downtown, some of downtown Detroit. Some of it. Now, I don't come down here very much. I might go to like a few clubs, bars, or to the casinos, whatever. But whatever. I'm tired. I've been. There she go right there. Ain't that her car?
No, not the. That's
She remember, I remember her saying, "Oh, we gotta. Yeah, that's her. We gotta run because our ride is here. Bye."